welcome back. So today I am going to be doing the introduction to a project pan that'll be rolling. The other day I was looking at my lipstick collection and I noticed that I have a lot of minis, specifically about 19, and they don't get used as much as my full-size lipsticks, and they really should. So I've decided that I am going to do a rolling project pan that incorporates 5 of them at a time, replacing the one that gets used up with a new one, and see how many I can get through in this year. So I went through and I tried to pick out one of kind of each color family, and then I also have like 3 small sized liquid lipsticks, so I will be throwing one of those in regardless of color to everything. So to get started, I will be working, these are those like bite double-ended duos. I will specifically be working on Latte. I have put quite a dent in Latte and has seen some better days. It's a little chewed up back there, but this is like a neutral, like dusty mauve brown color, one of those. Really easy to wear every single day. I will be using this one most likely when I'm not trying to go for anything too bold. I then have this teeny tiny Meet Matte Hues liquid lipstick in Committed. I have used this a handful of times and it shows absolutely no wear anywhere on the like packaging on the inside. This is a 1.2 mL's sample, so hopefully it's not going to be too difficult to get through, but we'll see. And then I have this Marc Jacobs mini. This came in the set with the eyeliner that I'm panning in my 18 and 2018 project pan. I'll link it in the cards, which actually are, I think, over there. This is in Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, and I have put a little bit of use into this. So honestly, I don't think most of these minis are going to take me very long to go through. I am still finishing 2 lip products in my 18 and 2018 project pan, but most of these, if I'm working on them, I can use the gloss over top because the gloss is more of a sheer pink color. So I'm not too worried about it infringing upon the progress elsewhere. The next one is another of the bite duos, and I will be focusing on Holly in this one. I put a good effort into Holly during December of 2017. So I think I can get through this if I focus on it. I might not touch it much because I don't think it's completely seasonally appropriate unless I do something that warrants a bright red. And then the last one is the one I'm currently wearing, is Nori. Also from Bite, I got a Bite mini set with the 4 lipsticks for the seasonal collection. I also have a couple from a friend gave me kimchi, I think, that was in one of her Sephora play boxes a while back, so I have that. Most of mine are Bite products. I really enjoy Bite's formula. They are a little bit tougher to work through though because they stay put, which isn't a good problem to have when you're trying to work through things. And just so everybody's aware, the same amount of product comes in these little duos as in these, which is 1.55 grams. So these are the exact same size as one of these minis. I know some people sometimes think that these have less product, but no, it's the exact same for a duo, full size, or an unused side of the duo, as one of these. Exact same amount of product, which is the 1.55 grams. So these will take just as much time as one of these if I haven't put a lot of use into it. All right, so that is everything. Those are the 5 I'm starting with. When I use one up, I will update you guys and roll a new one in. I'm planning on updating every 4 to 6 weeks, kind of like my project pan for 18 and 2018. So we will kind of negotiate where these are gonna go. I might post these on like a Monday and then my normal project pan stuff on Friday. We'll see. I'm not sure yet. But that's everything for today. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what other projects you're working on this year. I'd love to hear it. Thank you for watching. Bye.